Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today, in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about ornamental plants. Our topic for today in agricultural science is on ornamental plants. Okay? So today we are going to be looking at ornamental plants. Ornamental plants are cultivated for their decorative qualities, enhancing the beauty and visual appeal of outdoor and indoor spaces. These plants are valued for their aesthetics, such as colorful flowers, interesting foliage, or unique shapes. They are an integral part of landscaping, gardens, parks, and interior design, contributing to the overall environment's attractiveness. Ornamental plants are the plants that people grow just because they are beautiful to look at. They have lovely flowers, colorful leaves, or interesting shapes. Ornamental plants are special kinds of plants that are grown to make places look pretty. They are like nature's decorations for gardens and homes. Ornamental plants come in many colors like red, yellow, pink, and more. This makes them so pretty to look at. Okay? Some plants are tall like trees, while others are short like bushes. Each plant has its own special shape and size. Okay, some ornamental plants bloom in spring with beautiful flowers, while others look great all year round. So they change with the seasons. People need to water and care for these plants, just like taking care of pets, so they stay healthy and happy. So ornamental plants are like nature's artwork, making our world more colorful and joyful. They come in different colors, shapes, and sizes, and people love to take care of them to keep our surroundings beautiful. Okay, do we understand that? So, ornamental plants are cultivated for their visual appeal rather than for food, fiber, or other practice. Okay, we now understand the meaning of ornamental plants, right? So next, we are going to be looking at the uses of ornamental plants. What are ornamental plants used for? 1. Landscape design. Ornamental plants are a fundamental component for landscaping, providing an array of colors, textures, and heights to create visual pleasing and harmonious outdoor spaces. Landscape design is like creating a beautiful, colorful outdoor space where people can have fun and enjoy nature. So you can use ornamental plants for landscapes because they are visual pleasing. Gardens. Home gardens and public gardens feature a wide variety of ornamental plants to create beautiful and and tranquil settings for leisure, recreation, and study. People use these plants to make gardens and outdoor spaces look colorful and attractive. They are used in gardens to make the garden look colorful and attractive. Interior decor. Indoor ornamental plants like potted flowers and houseplants are used to enhance interior spaces, improving air quality and creating a pleasant ambience. Some ornamental plants are kept indoors to make our homes look nicer. They are kept indoors to make our homes look nicer. Medicinal and aromatic plants. Some ornamental plants also possess medicinal or aromatic properties, serving both decorative and functional purposes. For example, lavender and rosemary are used for their fragrance and therapeutic qualities. Celebrations. These plants are used in parties like birthdays and weddings to decorate and make the place festive. Bees and butterflies. Some of these plants help bees and butterflies find food and make our environment more lively. So these are the uses of ornamental plants. Okay? Ornamental plants are like nature's decoration that make the world a more beautiful and cheerful place. So we now know the meaning of ornamental plants and the uses, right? We understood today's lesson on ornamental plants. We said ornamental plants are like nature's decorations, making our world more beautiful. They have pretty colors and come in different shapes and sizes. People take care of these plants just like they take care of pets. These special plants are used for making gardens and homes look lovely. They are even used in parties and celebrations. Some ornamental plants help bees and butterflies find food, which is great for our environment, right? So remember, ornamental plants are like nature's artwork, and they come in all sorts of colors and shapes. They make our world more colorful and happy. Okay? Good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. Okay? I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignment, right? That's good. 1. Define ornamental plants. And 2. What are ornamental plants used for? It's easy, right? Good.